I'd like this one.
I want to exchange money.
I want to open an account.
I'd like a window seat.
I'd like to check in.
I want a refund.
I want to cancel this.
I'd like more information.
I'd like a receipt.
I'd like a single room.
I want to speak English.
I'd like a table for two.
I want to pay in cash.
I'd like to book a tour.
I'd like a copy of this.
I'd like a quiet table.
I want to change my flight.
I'd like to try this dish.
I'd like a bigger size.
I want to make a reservation.
What does this word mean?
How do you say this in English?
What does this sentence mean?
How do you say, "Excuse me"?
What does this sign mean?
How do you say this phrase?
What does that word mean in English?
What does this abbreviation mean?
What does this instruction mean?
How do you say this menu item?
What does this question mean?
How do you say that gesture?
What does this form mean?
How do you say this term?
What does "I'm sorry" mean here?
How do you say this expression?
What does this slang mean?
How is this word used?
Let's go together.
Let's study together.
Let's grab coffee.
Let's take a break.
Shall we meet tomorrow?
Let's ask the teacher.
Shall we check the map?
Let's try this place.
Shall we go now?
Let's wait here.
Shall we sit down?
Let's review this.
Shall we practice together?
Let's go home.
Shall we watch a movie?
Let's get some food.
Shall we walk there?
Let's take the bus.
Shall we call it a day?
Let's start again.
Is this the right bus?
Is this spicy?
Is this my seat?
Is this included?
Is this the last train?
Is this correct?
Is this free?
Is this open now?
Is this close to school?
Is this safe?
Is this fresh?
Is this on sale?
Is this a good price?
Is this allowed here?
Is this working?
Is this urgent?
Is this necessary?
Is this available today?
Is this enough?
Is this clear?
I need to go to the hospital.
I need to buy a SIM card.
I need to open a bank account.
I need an extra towel.
I need to call the embassy.
I need a placement test.
I need to exchange money.
I need to find my gate.
I need to print a document.
I need to buy a textbook.
I need to see a doctor.
I need to charge my phone.
I need to use the bathroom.
I need to rest for a while.
I need to cancel my reservation.
I need to extend my visa.
I need to get a receipt.
I need to find a pharmacy.
I need to ask my teacher.
I need to reschedule my class.
How much is this?
How much is a data plan?
How much is a locker?
How much is a monthly pass?
How much is this ticket?
How much is the rent?
How much is a taxi from here?
How much is delivery?
How much is a haircut?
How much is this jacket?
How much is the entrance fee?
How much is one night?
How much is a textbook?
How much is this meal?
How much is the deposit?
How much is a phone case?
How much is insurance?
How much is a visa extension?
How much is a bus ticket?
How much is this bag?
Can you help me?
Can you say that again?
Can you speak slowly?
Can you show me?
Can you write it down?
Can you call a taxi?
Can you repeat that?
Can you wait a minute?
Can you close the door?
Can you open the window?
Can you check this?
Can you translate this?
Can you spell that?
Can you explain it again?
Can you help me with my luggage?
Can you take my picture?
Can you turn down the volume?
Can you give me directions?
Can you recommend a restaurant?
Can you hold this for me?
Where is the restroom?
Where is my room?
Where is the kitchen?
Where is the bus stop?
Where is the pharmacy?
Where is gate 12?
Where is the elevator?
Where is the nearest hospital?
Where is the subway station?
Where is the ATM?
Where is the laundry room?
Where is the school office?
Where is my classroom?
Where is the exit?
Where is the information desk?
Where is the nearest bank?
Where is the taxi stand?
Where is the main entrance?
Where is the cafeteria?
Where is the post office?
I have a reservation.
I have one suitcase.
I have a headache.
I have nothing to declare.
I have a student visa.
I have an allergy to peanuts.
I have a question.
I have an appointment.
I have 2 bags.
I have a fever.
I have a class at 9.
I have some cash.
I have a credit card.
I have an emergency.
I have a meeting today.
I have a cold.
I have some documents.
I have a return ticket.
I have a scholarship.
I have a roommate.
Do you have vegetarian options?
Do you have a laundry room?
Do you have Wi-Fi?
Do you accept cards?
Do you have a monthly pass?
Do you have a single room?
Do you have a map?
Do you have an English menu?
Do you have a charger?
Do you have a student discount?
Do you have extra blankets?
Do you have a printer?
Do you accept cash?
Do you have delivery service?
Do you have a locker?
Do you have a bike rental?
Do you have hot water?
Do you have a quiet room?
Do you have parking?
Do you have a lost and found?
What time is checkout?
What time does class start?
What time is the last train?
What time do we land?
What time does the store close?
What time does breakfast start?
What time does the meeting begin?
What time does the bank open?
What time does the movie start?
What time is curfew?
What time is the next bus?
What time is lunch?
What time is the exam?
What time is sunset?
What time does the flight leave?
What time does the pharmacy close?
What time do office hours end?
What time does the library open?
What time is dinner?
What time does the show start?
Can I get a new key?
Can I see the menu?
Can I ask a question?
Can I get it to go?
Can I get a bag?
Can I sit here?
Can I use your phone?
Can I try this on?
Can I pay by card?
Can I get a discount?
Can I take a break?
Can I leave early?
Can I borrow a pen?
Can I get a refund?
Can I change my seat?
Can I get a receipt?
Can I use the restroom?
Can I take a picture?
Can I get some water?
Can I reschedule?
I'm a new student.
I'm here to study.
I'm lost.
I'm still learning English.
I'm allergic to peanuts.
I'm from Korea.
I'm tired.
I'm ready.
I'm nervous.
I'm excited.
I'm sorry.
I'm on my way.
I'm in a hurry.
I'm here for the exam.
I'm new here.
I'm a little confused.
I'm feeling better.
I'm here on vacation.
I'm looking for my class.
I'm worried.
Thank you for your help.
Thanks for waiting.
Thank you for the information.
Thanks for your patience.
Thank you for everything.
Thanks for the ride.
Thank you for your time.
Thanks for the explanation.
Thank you for coming.
Thanks for understanding.
Thank you for the advice.
Thanks for your kindness.
Thank you for showing me around.
Thanks for the recommendation.
Thank you for your support.
Thanks for the meal.
Thank you for checking in.
Thanks for your effort.
Thank you for listening.
Thanks for being here.
Excuse me, where is the bathroom?
Excuse me, can you help me?
Excuse me, do you speak English?
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
Excuse me, how do I get there?
Excuse me, what does this mean?
Excuse me, could you repeat that?
Excuse me, is this the right line?
Excuse me, can I ask something?
Excuse me, where can I buy a ticket?
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Excuse me, do you have a moment?
Excuse me, where should I go?
Excuse me, can you point me there?
Excuse me, is this correct?
Excuse me, may I sit here?
Excuse me, is this yours?
Excuse me, could you help me find this?
Excuse me, where is the exit?
Excuse me, one more question, please.